Exactly. So if you depend on someone, it means that you need that person's help. So turn and talk to a partner about a time that you have depended on a friend. So a time that you needed someone's help. You depended on them for something. Go. Okay, bring it back in 3, 2, 1. All eyes on me.
All eyes on you.
Okay, Lane, when's the time you've depended on someone? You want to call on a friend? Okay, Macy. When you got locked in your bedroom, and who did you depend on for help? Oh, no one? Oh, you depended on yourself then. You helped yourself, didn't you? What about you, Shelby?
When I got stuck in a tree.
You got stuck in a tree? Who helped you?
My BFF and a ladder.
Your BFF helped you get a ladder. Okay. Our second word is sore.
Sore.
The dog hurt its paw. The paw is sore. So what does sore mean, Mallory?
Got hurt.
Mallory? Got hurt. It's hurt. It's sore. It's hurting. Okay, next word, sprang.
Spring.
The cat saw the food. She sprang towards her dish. Does anyone know what the word sprang means? Liliana? Jump. She jumped towards it. If a person or animal sprang, they suddenly moved upwards or forward. So jumped works. Next word, studied. 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 Before getting a puppy, the girl studied a book about dog care. Shelby, what does studied mean?
That like you studied for that.
You studied for a test. That's right. So if you studied a subject, you just spent time learning more about it. Okay, next word, gazing.
Gazing.
The dog is gazing or looking closely at a squirrel.
It looks like a cat.
Connor, do you know what gazing could mean? Do you have an idea?
Me like staring closely.
Exactly, staring closely. If you're gazing at something, you are looking at it for a long time. Next word is hero.
Hero.
This dog is a hero. It saved the boy from getting hurt. A hero is someone who is admired for doing something brave or good. So we're going to turn and talk to a partner one more time. Who do you think of as a hero? Why are they a hero? Okay, bring it back in 3, 2, 1. All eyes on me.
All eyes on you.
Connor was my partner, and he thought of something that was a hero. You want to tell the class? What's a
It
hero?
was Superman.
And that's on his shirt today. Does anyone else have an example of a hero they want to share? Liliana? Batgirl, okay. Annabelle? Batman. One more, Macy?
Mom and Dad.
Your mom and dad, yeah. Why are they heroes? Because they do good things. That's what it said. It said a hero is someone that does something brave or good. Your mom and dad do good things. Yeah. Your dog is your hero. Okay, next word. Exercise.
Exercise.
A dog needs exercise every day. This dog wants to run fast. You want to hold the cards? You want to sit down and hold them for me? Sit down. Exercise is physical activity that helps you become strong and healthy. Next word, overlooked. Overlooked. They overlooked or didn't see where the dog was hiding. So if you overlooked something, it means you didn't notice it or you didn't see it. Has anyone ever overlooked something in here? Jack, when's a time that you've overlooked something?
When they do taxi last night.
Last night you overlooked something?
Yeah.
What about you?
One time the elf moved.
Oh, the elf moved and you didn't notice it around Christmas time? Yeah. Okay. We're done with these. Let's go ahead and read our story. And let's be thinking about these words as we read, okay? We're reading a story called Ordinary Heroes. One chilly fall Friday afternoon, Megan sat at her desk, gazing out the window. Gazing. The trees were shedding their leaves like confetti, and the leaves rained down to the ground below, making a quilt of bright orange, red, yellow, and brown. Megan wanted so badly to go out and play in the leaves, but the school bell would not ring for one more hour. Megan sighed. So, what is the setting of this first paragraph?
At school.
At school. What day is it?
Fall.
Friday.
Fall.
Yep, so the setting is Friday afternoon at school. Her ears perked up as her teacher, Mrs. Blaze, announced the homework assignment for the weekend. Class, this weekend, I want you to write a paragraph about your hero. Tell me who this person is and what makes you look up to him or her. Megan's mind sprang to action. She started to think of all the posters she had hanging on her bedroom walls. On the wall behind her bed, she had a poster of Babe Ruth, the famous baseball player. She thought about all the records Ruth set during his career and how much the fans loved him. Was he a hero, she wondered? She thought about the poster beside her bed. It was a picture of Olympic figure skater Christy Yamaguchi landing after a big jump. The crowd in the background was clapping wildly. Is she a hero, Megan wondered? She considered that both athletes needed to exercise every day in order to do their jobs. They probably had to play or perform when their muscles were sore and tired. Megan thought about how hard that must have been, but she still wasn't sure if they were heroes. So what decision is Megan trying to decide? What does she have to decide about? Heroes? So why does she need to find a hero? For her homework, because she has to write a paragraph about a hero. So that's the decision she's trying to make. She's thinking about all the posters she has in her room and athletes and things like that. When Megan got home from school, she tossed her backpack on the chair and went to find a snack. She saw her brother Kevin's social studies test taped to the refrigerator. At the top, it said 100. Excellent work. Megan smiled. She knew that Kevin had studied very hard before the test, and she was happy for him. On the counter, Megan saw a note from her mother. It said, Meg, I bought the materials for your science project. We will work on it together tomorrow. Love, Mom. Megan smiled again. Her mom always came through when Megan depended on her for help. Just then, a light bulb lit up over Megan's head. She knew that she had overlooked the most obvious heroes, her family members. Megan realized that even though they weren't famous, she looked up to everyone in the family, and in some way, she wanted to be like each one of them. Now her biggest problem was deciding which one of them to write her paragraph about. So how does Megan make her decision about who to write the hero paragraph about? Her family. Let's raise her hand. Eliana? Her whole family. How does she make that decision? About your family, you think she would make the decision because that's what you would do? Remember when it said she got home, what did she see on the refrigerator? Her brother's test, and she was proud of him for that 100 that he got because he studied really hard. Yeah, so it made her think about that. It made her realize that heroes don't have to be famous athletes like the ones on her walls, do they? So how are famous heroes and ordinary heroes both alike and different? So how are ordinary heroes like famous heroes? How are they similar? They both do good things. That's what makes a hero. Remember our definition of hero? It said they do brave and good things, and how Macy said at the very beginning that her mom and dad are heroes because they do good things every day. So how are they different? How is an ordinary hero, like our mom or dad or a brother or sister, how are they different from famous heroes like Babe Ruth? Because why? Because they aren't famous, not that many people know them. Macy's mom and dad might be heroes, but we don't know them, do we? No, but like a famous athlete like Michael Jordan, we all know him, right? No, some of us might not, but he's a famous hero. Okay, I'm going to to Miss Nesbitt, and she's going to finish the lesson, okay?